go.
Alright, so you know when you hear those turbo cars blow, they make that noise. So basically the turbo makes that little whistle noise, and then when they back off, it goes. Alright? So we're going to see who's got the best impression, alright? Yeah. Not bad, not bad. Oh, he's going through the
Yeah.
Oh, that's good, yeah, it was.
That was a video, fella. Fully away. I reckon we've got a pretty close call there. There's two. We might have to go to a bit of a tiebreaker. Get real. Let's go. Not bad, not bad. No block out. Good flutter. Alright. You ready? Alright, let's hit it. You did that, bro? Man, that was gangster. Alright. What do you think, right? Can we get a this way? Well done, coming over, buddy. What do you got in there? Yeah, let's just turn it up. What's in there? Check the gauge. Yep, that'll be handy to leave. Right, extra.
That's right, extra.
Just cut that one on top. Ladies will be up there. Right, extra digger. Hell yeah, let's cut that on the jack. Tommy, you'll love it. Yep, solo stick. Holy, look at the stuff in there. Right, next. Keychain, very good. USB stick. Yeah, you'll be up and ready with that one. Yeah, still have USB stick. And the outside. Sure no one has any of them anymore, but great work today, mate. Awesome turbo flutter, and we hope you
How
have
about the ones we especially like? You know, the ones with the cars that go.